To fix any issues that you're currently experiencing on the Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds, all you need to do is simply unpair and disconnect them from your phone and then guide them through a reset process. Now, to unpair them from your Sony Sound Connect app and from your Bluetooth settings, all you need to do is in the Sony Sound Connect app, tap on this power icon to switch them off. And then you can then go ahead and put them back in the case. From here, you will then want to ensure that the Sound Connect app has disconnected or forgotten the device. So you're going to tap on Switch Devices, select the three dots, and tap on Cancel Registration and confirm your choice. From here, you then want to navigate to the settings on your device and open up Bluetooth. Ensure that you've unpaired and your Sony buds from your phone. And then from here, all you need to do is simply factory reset the buds themselves. Now, in order for you to factory reset, you're going to long press on the back button, this one right here next to the charging port, until you see the indicator light blinking orange. When it blinks orange, you can close the case and then you can open it back again and you'll have successfully reset it. So again, long press on the back of the case and just continue pressing. When you see the pairing light appearing, just ignore it and continue pressing until it turns orange. When you see it turning orange and blinking, you can let go of the button and it will turn green, showing you that you successfully reset them. So, in order for you to now connect them to your phone so that you can see if you've successfully fixed the issues, just go ahead and put them in pairing mode again by long pressing on the back button until the blue indicator light starts blinking. And then navigate to your Bluetooth settings on your phone. And simply select the buds, and you can now be able to confirm the pairing and start using them connected to your device. If that hasn't fixed any issues that you are currently experiencing, then maybe you'll need to troubleshoot by contacting customer care just to get more advice on what to do. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.